In 1776, the United States declared independence. Now, 250 years later, we celebrate Freedom 250. Standing before the portraits of those who forged our nation, I'm inspired by these leaders' pursuit of a more perfect union. America is looking ahead, defining a new era of diplomacy, championing innovation, and creating new partnerships for the next 250 years. This milestone lets us celebrate achievements in science, technology, the arts, and business. This year, Kyrgyzstan is observing its own important milestone, 35 years of independence. The United States was among the first to support the Kyrgyz Republic's sovereignty and territorial integrity. This is no coincidence. Our shared values run deep. Kyrgyzstan shows enormous potential in creative industries and IT, sectors where America sets the global direction. And indeed, Kyrgyzstan's youth will lead the way as the energy of a new generation propels the country forward. As our first president, George Washington, said, "The independence and liberty you possess are the work of joint councils and joint efforts, of common dangers, sufferings, and successes." We believe that government exists to serve the people. Independence is not an end, but a responsibility that requires constant effort from both the government and the people. Here's to celebrating 250 years of America and 35 years of Kyrgyzstan, with friendship and new opportunities ahead. Welcome to Freedom 250.